Hello crafty people and welcome back. Today I'm going to try a painting that I've done before. Now I know that sounds kind of weird, but with acrylic pouring it's notoriously difficult to make a pair of paintings or to replicate a painting. However, I think if I do a swipe, then I can check out my earlier video and hopefully make one which is kind of similar, because I made a really lovely blue starburst swipe some time back that sold like instantly, and I'm thinking, you know, I need to raise a little bit of cash. I'm going to try and make a popular painting that I think will sell so I can raise some money. So I'm going to have a quick attempt at remaking my earlier blue starburst swipe painting. Because I'm not trying anything new today, there's no new techniques, no new materials, I'm just going to set the camera to record, I'll paint away and add a little bit of music over the top, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll take a look at it finished. Well, I think I'm counting that one as a complete success. It looks really similar to the original painting that I did. I've probably got, in the same as I did with the first one, I've still got too much of this light blue. It really goes mental and takes over so much that this one small ring of colour really just spreads out a lot. And I guess it's, well, I don't know, but I never learned my lesson the first time because it's very similar to the first one, and I thought it had too much of that light blue in the first time. But anyway, it looks really cool. I'm very, very happy. The colours are good, the cells are good, it's got that same lovely starburst effect, and hopefully once this one is dried and varnished I'll be able to get it into my shop and get some more sales, because goodness knows I could do with a little bit of that so I can buy more paints. As usual, thank you so much for watching my videos. Always makes me very happy to see people coming along and giving it a thumbs up and a comment. Underneath the video you'll find details for my Patreon account if you would like to come and follow me over there and be part of my insider tribe. I look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.